Hello friends. Welcome back to my channel after viewing of my previous videos. Hope you all are good. Your supports are important so please subscribe, like, share and comment to my works. Gather your documents. Before you can start filling out your income tax return, it's crucial to gather all the necessary documents. You'll need your income statements, such as W-2 forms if you're an employee, or 1099 forms if you're a freelancer or have other sources of income. Don't forget to collect documents related to deductions and credits you're eligible for, like receipts for charitable donations, medical expenses, and mortgage interest payments. Also, have your social security numbers handy for yourself, your spouse, and any dependents. It's helpful to have last year's tax return on hand as well, especially for reference and any carryover information. Choose your filing status. The next step is to determine your filing status, which significantly impacts your tax brackets and potential deductions. Your options include filing as single, married filing jointly, married filing separately, head of household, or qualifying widow, with a dependent child. Each status has different criteria and benefits, so it's essential to choose the one that best fits your situation. For instance, filing jointly as a married couple might offer you more tax benefits compared to filing separately. Determine your dependents. Identifying your dependents is another key step in the tax filing process. Dependents are typically your children or other relatives who rely on you for financial support. Including dependents on your tax return can qualify you for various tax credits and deductions, such as the child tax credit or the earned income tax credit. Ensure you have accurate information and social security numbers for each dependent you're claiming. Select the right forms. With your filing status and dependents figured out, it's time to choose the correct tax forms. The primary form for individual income tax returns is the Form 1040. Depending on your specific situation, you may need additional schedules, like Schedule A for itemized deductions, Schedule C for reporting self-employment income, or Schedule D for capital gains and losses. These forms help you report your income and claim deductions accurately. Report your income. Now it's time to dive into the numbers and report all your income. This includes wages, salaries, tips, and other compensation. If you have additional sources of income like interest, dividends, capital gains, or income from a business or rental property, make sure to report these as well. Accurate income reporting is critical as it determines your overall tax liability. Claim deductions and credits. Claiming deductions and credits can significantly reduce your taxable income and, consequently, your tax bill. You have the option to take the standard deduction, a fixed amount that reduces your taxable income, or itemize your deductions if they exceed the standard deduction. Itemized deductions can include things like mortgage interest, state and local taxes, and medical expenses. Additionally, tax credits, such as the earned income tax credit or the child tax credit, directly reduce the amount of tax you owe, so be sure to claim any that you're eligible for. Calculate your tax liability. Once you've reported your income and claimed your deductions and credits, the next step is to calculate your tax liability. This is where tax tables or tax software come in handy. They'll help you figure out how much tax you owe based on your taxable income. It's essential to double-check your numbers to avoid any errors that could lead to penalties or audits. File your return. Filing your tax return can be done in two main ways, electronically or by mail. E-filing is the most common and convenient method. You can use tax software or hire a professional service to file electronically. This method is faster and often results in quicker refunds. Alternatively, you can choose to paper file by mailing your completed tax forms to the IRS. Whichever method you choose, make sure you file by the deadline to avoid late fees. Pay any taxes owed. If your calculations show that you owe taxes, you'll need to submit your payment along with your return. The IRS offers several payment options, including check, money order, electronic funds transfer, and credit card payments. It's crucial to pay any owed taxes on time to avoid interest and penalties. Track your refund. After filing your return, you might be eagerly waiting for a refund. You can track the status of your refund using the "Where's My Refund?" tool on the IRS website. It provides up-to-date information on your refund status and expected delivery date. Keeping an eye on this can give you peace of mind and help you plan your finances accordingly. Additional tips. Lastly, here are some extra tips to keep in mind. Always keep copies of your tax returns and supporting documents for at least 3 years, as you may need them for future reference or in case of an audit. Stay updated on any changes in tax laws that might affect your filing. Tax regulations can change annually, and staying informed can help you maximize your refunds and minimize your liabilities. Thank you for watching.